Okay guys, so I'm just going to explain to you a little bit real quick. I recorded a whole intro to this video, but I guess when my camera shut off, it didn't even save it. So cool, good, you know, good for me. Okay, so basically I introduced the little vacuum I bought for, little pimple vacuum I bought for like 20 bucks at CVS. And I didn't have batteries, so I had to leave and stop the camera and go get batteries. So this is me continuing after the battery run.
This is ridiculous. The dedication I have. I literally took off back to freaking Walgreens and got these batteries. Also expensive, don't know why. And then I look, and then I got like AA4. I didn't know there's AA4, AA5, AA. And this is 1.5 AA. I don't freaking know. Okay, so they came with 4 other things. I look crazy. Look somewhat decent. But yeah. It's more like it. All right. Okay, I'm scared. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, that's weird. Ew. Ow, ow. Oh my god. Ow! What the hell? Oh my god, it got some. It got some. Oh my god, can you see? Wait, can you? I don't think you can see. Can you see? Oh my god, let's keep going. Oh god, it low-key hurts. This is like on the soft setting too. Ow. I just don't like the way it makes it really red. Ow. Ew. Ew. Okay, can you see? You have to be able to see this. Oh, there you can kind of see it. My nose is running now. Ow. I'm gonna try it smaller because this one's like way too freaking strong. Bro, are you not even... This one's not working. Cool. Cool. Oh my god, what if I'm giving myself like hickeys on my nose? Okay. Ah! Ow! Oh my god! Okay, there is some, guys. I just like don't know how, like, if it's like worth this pain. Oh. Oh, hell no. Oh my god. Well, I just gave myself scars on my face. Let's keep going. Ow. I just wasted, like, way worse. I really bruised the out of this area. Like, I really bruised this area up. Ow. Guys, I literally bruised myself. Like, I want to keep going, Loki.
6 hours later.
End results. I think you should just go get a facial because obviously, if you just want to like your face up, like, ow. Ugh. I'm gonna wash the hell out of my face and just like try to repair it by tomorrow because I don't want to be looking like I just got knocked in the freaking nose. Alright guys, good night. Take care. Do I recommend this? Maybe a high quality one. Maybe a higher quality one. This was 20 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna try to fix that. Okay, anyways, okay, good night. Love you. Bye-bye. God, I just have bruises everywhere. Who am I? Rocky, that's who I am.